Hello friends, in this video we will cover the topic how we can download and install WordPress theme. In my last video I will show you how you can build your website locally, and if you guys are not watched that video, so I will put that video in I button. So let's see first that what is theme. A WordPress theme is a group of files like graphics, style sheets, and code that dictates the overall appearance of your blog and website. Themes can be controlled something as last as your site layout or minute as your hyperlink. So let's get started and see how we can install our first theme on our website. Log in to your WordPress dashboard and go to appearance, and here you can see there are three default themes which are provided by WordPress. So in this video we will change our theme. So you can see this is my default theme which is showing now. Now it's time to add a new theme for our website. So these are the themes which are provided by WordPress. So select anyone you want. I will select this and simply install the theme, and now I will activate this theme. Here you can see the theme is activated now. If I just show you on my web page or my website, here you can see now, if I refresh it, now you can see the theme has been changed and it's showing the theme that we activate right now. So now I will show you where these themes are stored in your local system. If you go to your XAMPP folder here in htdoc, you can see there is a folder WP content. Here in the themes folder you can see these are three already themes, and this is a new one that we install and activate. So this is the simple way that you can use for change your theme and active your theme for your website. So thank you so much for your support. So please support my channel through your subscription, and thank you so much.